Hi everyone, by now you can see that I'm safe and sound in Tokyo. The weather is nice and the temperatures are way higher than they are in the Netherlands, and the journey here has been pretty long, but fortunately I can show you that in a short compilation. So here it is. This is the hostel I'm currently staying at, and it's the Emblem Hostel in Tokyo. And so far my stay here has been wonderful. The recommendations are spot on, and they organize a lot of events to get to know the city and the Japanese culture. The first night in Japan I had to get sushi, so we went to where the sweet receptionist of the hostel sent me. This is supposed to be the sushi place, so let's have a look inside. Every tourist that comes in here gets to write his or her name down and ends up on the wall. She then proceeds by pouring in some water, some matcha, the Japanese traditional tea, and some soy sauce. The man behind the counter then asks if you want wasabi on your sushi, and she pours you a shot of sake, Japanese rice wine. As you can see, the sushi looks amazing. And it tasted really great, really fresh, and it was so fun in the restaurant because the owners and the kid over there, they engaged me in a lot of conversation even though they couldn't speak any English. On the flyer in the hostel it says that after 9 p.m. they sell their bento boxes and sushi boxes heavily discounted, so we might have to check that out. The next morning I participated in a Japanese calligraphy course, and the lady that learned us is so good, and it looks really easy, but it really isn't. Though, as you can see here, I'm pretty badass at it. And we even got interviewed by the Japanese television. So for a while we were big in Japan, pun intended. I hope you all liked the video recordings of the first few days, and I'll be back soon with another video with some new things to do, and I'll see you all then.